The key benefits of using a ring crane for installing floating wind turbines is really to avoid using the larger and more costly installation vessels, allowing our customers to install these turbines in sheltered areas, in harbors, where we can do this in a safer and more controlled environment. This is a unique project where we are installing 11 8.6 megawatt turbines at 143 meter radius.
This project starts, of course, with building up all the equipment that we have to deliver. So the PC crane is, of course, the biggest item. It takes around 5 to 6 weeks to assemble it.
Ring cranes will become an important asset in the future of floating wind, as they will allow our customers to build faster and in a more cost-effective way, bigger and heavier turbines.
In order to build wind turbines, you need, of course, all the components. Those components are arriving at this facility by seagoing vessels. We have 2 cranes ready on the quayside to offload those components.
We load it onto an SPMT. We drive it to a laydown yard. We load it off the SPMT onto the laydown yard for handling.